Hey guys, so this is a night video of us. I'm not wearing no makeup, guys, so I'm comfortable. And we're just sitting down, me and my husband, just having a talk. And say hi, honey.
Hello.
So we're just talking. So guys, if you just want to come sit with us and just listen to our conversation. We don't really know what the world we're going to talk about, but we're going to talk about something. So, yeah. What?
Yeah, mine was, hey, let's do a video. Okay.
What?
And here we are.
What? What?
It was like, oh, hey, let's do a video.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
What?
And
What's
here-
wrong? You didn't want to, baby.
And here we are.
Yay.
Yay.
We're doing a
Now,
video.
what are we going to talk about?
I don't know, but you might have to turn the fan off. Well, I don't know. They might be able to hear us because we're sitting so far back. But, I don't know. But guys, we're just sitting, enjoying each other's company. We kind of wanted, to do a video of our inside of our relationship, just how we are.
Similar snacks.
Making memories. Why are you pointing out my snacks like this? What's wrong with you? Really?
You got a lot of snacks.
So, and I'm gonna eat it. Don't be trying to steal. Yes, guys.
You ain't got no Doritos over there, so.
I don't eat Doritos like that. I have to really think about it in order to get them. But I like the salted chips, plain salted chips, and I like these type of popcorn. So I couldn't pick and choose, so I got both. You know what my excuse would be though? I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Tired?
Tired? Yeah. I'm dreaded. Going to work. I don't want to wake up at 5.
Yeah. You're not used to Colin going to school. Have you gotten used to it yet, the 5 o'clock thing?
Oh, yeah.
Do you get confused, the fact that you have 5 days where you're getting up at 5 and then Saturday you can get up at 6?
Yeah, because my body wants to wake up at 5 sometimes, so I'm like, no, you got an hour. Go back to sleep. And I literally got to fight myself for like 10 minutes. And then my alarm goes off, and I'm like, fuck. Couple more minutes.
Yeah. But look, Kaden goes to school this year.
Yep. That's, they're going to go to the same school.
Yeah.
That'd be great. You gotta go to 2 school districts.
Right. And then Caleb next year.
He wouldn't go there, would he? Yeah.
Next year. Maybe 4.
Yeah.
Maybe 3 this year. And then 2 years from then, Carmela will be going to school, so.
Now, I don't even want to think about her going to school yet. She ain't here.
Yeah. But when it gets to that point where they all go to school, it's going to be so cute. Because by the time Colin's like 8, they'll all be old enough. They'll be all old enough to walk and talk and like bond better with each other. Because right now they're between different stages. And once Colin turns like 8 or 10, they'll be of age to where they can communicate better with each other. Because right now nobody really understands what the hell Caleb's talking about. He can say a couple of words, but he's still in those young stages. So, and the other two, they can talk straight.
When he wants to.
No, when you allow him to baby himself, that's when he talks babyish. I'm like, Kaden,
Yeah.
he speaks straight. He speaks straight though. He can talk.
Yeah.
Yeah, he can talk. But
Off the walls.
I don't know where that comes from though. He just talks about everything.
Everything. Whatever
Everything
his imagination.
Yeah, and everything
Man.
imaginary. It's like, what the world are you talking about?
What you doing? I'm good.
I'm not too fat. I try sharing. My dog is spoiled. You think he's ever gonna be like tough?
Well, he acts tough if you come to the door knocking on it.
That's because he don't know them. Yeah, I noticed that. Like he's very protected that way. Like if he can hear you, like once you pull in, if you're like somebody he don't know, once you pull in, that's when he comes from out the closet and he'll stand right there and he'll just be listening. And then all of a sudden he can hear the footsteps and then he starts that growling in his throat. And then if that door open, he's gone. Runs to death. And he start barking. My baby, she's very protective. He is. He's on my damn nerves. But he is very protective.
He's like, yeah, I'm very protective. You want to fuck cookies? No. Can't have it.
My baby. Yeah. You ain't get my food though. They get that. How did they do outside the other day? Did they like the weather?
Oh, he loved it. But she don't like being on a leash.
What did she do?
She tries chewing on it.
On a wire?
Yeah. And then she'll like jump around and shit, but really she just like lay down in one spot too.
What we gotta do? Cause she's gotta come down some. After being so hype.
CBD will.
Is that the only option, or we can go to the vet and get like some pills?
They make stuff for dogs food.
I know, but I don't want to give that to them. I don't want it to be the first thing we give them.
I don't know.
We gotta figure out what vet we're gonna take him to. Because when he was at, I didn't like that. I was trying to figure out why the bill was so high. And he didn't even get a lot done.
Oh, he was a checker.
They was just trying to, that was his first appointment. I was like, what the fuck? Why is it so high? But we're gonna have to because I'm gonna keep him around for a long time. Even though he get on my damn nerves, especially Bella. Michael will listen to me more than Bella. Bella, shit. She'll listen to me too, but she gets into like a mode where she's like scared of me. I don't want her to feel scared of me. I just want her to be able to listen. I I know sometimes I can be aggressive. I think it's the hormones too. I've been getting aggressive lately.
No. You aggressive? Never.
I mean, like,
Supplements.
yeah. Been biting heads off. Biting your head off.
Yeah. It's okay. Still live.
I know, you tolerate me sometimes, and then sometimes you try to bite my head off.
And then sometimes it's like, ooh, butterfly. Huh? What?
Oh, you ignore me? You ignore me? Okay. Okay.
You say?
You're ignoring me, okay.
Never. No.
Michael, you sound like you're sleeping, but your eyes open.
Wow, there's just a... Hey, Colin.
Have you forgot? So we're gonna do the burnt orange first then?
Yeah. Evidently.
I don't want it to all seem too bland. Like 2 colors only.
What's up, bud? Uh-huh. Oh, yeah? You hot? Yeah, oh, you got your coat on and everything, man.
I don't know what's wrong with my kid. But you know, like I said,
Not that. You see how he took his coat off? He pulled it down with stuff.
that really was funny.
Yeah.
Tweet his own. You know, Caden, he knows he's supposed to take his shirt on his head, but instead he does it from the bottom.
That's what he just did.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Why they do that? They do it reversal. It's supposed to go over your head, not
I don't even know.
all the way through. All the way down.
Yeah.
And then you're like, Mommy, I'm stuck.
Shit.
You okay?
Yeah. You fell asleep probably using that. Colin, you alright?
Kyle, you okay? I mean, I'm supposed to be laughing.
He said he's okay though.
You fell off the toilet. When you fell asleep.
Oh, this is our night, guys. Woo!
You fell off the toilet because you fell asleep.
Yeah.
You okay? I'm sorry.
Good night. Man, that little bag got 80 calories in it.
Really?
Dang.
I don't know.
I ain't never seen something that low.
Good popcorn.
Man, the lowest I seen was like 120. No, 140.
This is 140. That's 140. 160. I don't even know what this is.
That's too full.
What?
That.
I don't know. That is. There's some more snacks I've eaten in a while though. So. I gotta do some cardio. What? Okay, the cheesecake don't count.
That cheesecake is that big.
My excuse is I'm pregnant. Now shut up. pregnant.
Yep. 2.5 months ago.
They got this trend on TikTok, and it's like, I'm pregnant, and so like, I'm like, I'm pregnant, so I can eat all the snacks I feel like it. And then I'd be like, I'm pregnant, I can eat all the cheesecake I want. I'm pregnant. I can be lazy and sleep all day if I want to, because I'm pregnant. Yeah. What? I don't know. I should be eating this though. They're too good. I'm good. Sorry. Who? That Maria?
Yeah.
Michael?
Yeah.
Where are you, Michael? You watching my food? You want some? No. Because I'm pregnant. What?
That's your line now.
My lie?
Line.
Yes. That's going to be my line forever. So, like, if y'all catch me eating something, y'all aren't supposed to be eating it, I'm going to say I'm pregnant. Nah, when I ain't pregnant, so I ain't got no excuse then. I better jump on that treadmill.
I don't know how kids still up. Oh, and Colin.
Colin up too?
Yeah. Colin.
Oh, Colin across the toilet. Yeah.
Colin. Yeah, go to bed, buddy. You got school tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, how many pounds do you think I'm gonna gain from this stuff? I didn't even check my scale. I gotta check my
5
scale in the
pounds.
morning.
Yeah. Yeah, I have to wait on that.
Yeah. I'm hoping I went down because I thought I was like I was 208. When I went to the doctor, I was 223. So I'm hoping I'm dropping. But with this, I'm wondering what my schedule will be like in the morning.
Yeah, it would give you bread too.
I had bread. Oh yeah. But like not a lot. Well.
Yeah, what about them sandwiches?
What's sandwiches?
Them,
It's been,
Sonic.
it's been 2 weeks though. I was talking about the French toast.
Oh yeah, and then the toast.
And the rolls.
Yep.
I'm hoping not like 230, 240. Oh jeez. I don't know how to explain that. I might just burn that off.
I'm probably right at 190.
You got how much I was, man.
I could eat. Not gain any weight.
Now I told you, gotta pick it up. Your stomach can't hold this so much. You gotta eat like my 600-pound life. You gotta, and then you'll pack it on real quick. You probably get like 100 pounds, but then. You gotta pack it like that man did on that show. That man
I can't believe that.
Bro,
That was a big breakfast.
that man had 6 plates of food packed up. Oh my god. That was crazy. Just looking at me, it hurt my stomach. I was like, ain't no way I can get through one of them plates.
Yeah. 6. I'm tired.
Honey. Well, guys, my husband's getting tired. He's gotta go to work. So,
Yay.
we're gonna end this video. We just want you guys to like get a little insight of what our relationship is like and how we are with each other. And maybe it'll inspire a lot of people to just learn to communicate with your partner and just have fun with your partner. Every little bit goes a long way. And always make memorable moments, especially this one.
Ta-da.
See you guys later. Bye.
Peace.